Hi everyone, present day Lauren here. I did see Chicken and Biscuits, but I saw it a little while ago, so I just wanted to give you an update on what's been happening since I saw it. So there was a COVID outbreak in the show, and unfortunately that meant they had to close down for 10 days. And even worse, because of that shutdown means they have to close their whole production on November 28th, this Sunday. They were supposed to run through January, and now they have to end their show early. If you can go see this show, go see it. It is remarkable and it breaks my heart that they have to close early. It is such a fun show. You'll absolutely love it. Please go see it.
Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Shields. I'm a New York City director and audition repertoire coach and the founder of Audition Checkup. And today I'm going to see Chicken and Biscuits. Okay, I got some breakfast, I have my coffee, let's go to Midtown. Okay, a quick little walk through Union Square Marketplace on my way to the subway. Look how cute this is. I always try to read on the train, and even though it's a short trip, I'm reading How to Read a Play right now. I think I'm so excited to see this show because one of my closest friends is making his Broadway debut in this show as a stage manager, and today is the first time he's calling the show. I'm so excited for him and I'm so proud of him and I cannot wait to see it. My friend thanked me in his bio. So we just got out of the show. This play is about family dynamics and how each family member is trying to understand each other and accept each other in different ways. And it all centers around the grandfather's death at a funeral. It's hilariously funny. You have to go see it. The man of the hour, Brant Sennett.
Hey.
This is Brandon. He made his Broadway debut and I'm so proud of him.
Crazy. Crazy.
I highly, highly recommend going to see the show. Here are all my thoughts on why you should. And if you don't believe me, here are some reviews. Go see it, enjoy it. Thanks for following along. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.